Hey guys, so another minimalism project today. Today we'll be tackling my bookcase. I have two bookcases, which are essentially cubes that I've turned into bookcases, and it's been a problem. Like, I know that I go to bookstores because I always had a dream of having a library in my home. So I love to collect books and just building up my collection, but at the same time I've been noticing lately that it's just getting to be a bit excessive, and I'm like to the point where I'm buying like multiple books at a time. I'm not really reading them, and then, you know, there's another one that comes out that I really want to read, and it's just really taking up a lot of space. So the goal is to stop that cycle now. The whole thing of having a library isn't so important anymore, so I'm going to pretty much go through, see what books mean something to me, which spark joy, and I'll keep. Some I'll sell, and then some I'm just going to donate to the local library. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be working on today. Hopefully you enjoy. So after sorting through everything, I determined the books that I actually wanted to sell. I use sellbackyourbook.com, and pretty much you just enter the ISBN number, and then it pulls up the value that they would give you for the book. Afterwards, it compiles a whole cart. You can choose to remove items, so the items that they're just saying going to give me 12 cents, I just figured it wouldn't be worth to throw in a box, and then you have your total for how much you will get, and they'll send you a free shipping label, so you just have to throw it in a box, drop it off at FedEx, and then they'll send you your money via PayPal. So once I was complete, I was able to consolidate all of my items that I decided to keep into one shelf, and I decided to go ahead and sell the other one. So from here, I will go to the library, get myself a library card, start to be a little bit more intentional without buying books, so just checking them out for free and buying the ones that really are meaningful for me. If you don't know, I post videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so be sure to subscribe to never miss a video. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.